How many ideas have you had that you have never implemented for one reason or another? In this video, I'm going to break down for you the anatomy of rapid results. Now, before we jump in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll always be notified whenever we release a new business, marketing, or sales tip, and you'll get updated every time we release one of our mind remapping empowerment vitamins. So, have you ever met those people who have a great business or even creative idea and they tell you about it, and then the next thing you know, they've actually executed the idea? Meanwhile, you're still struggling on that very first idea, or worse, your ideas are somewhere collecting dust on your idea shelf. Well, there is something that these fast manifestors have that make the difference. The first thing is a deep belief. When that friend of yours shared that idea, it wasn't just an idea in their head, it was a declaration. They had already decided that they could and would get it done, and likely they even had a timeline already in their head for completion. The second thing is a process. People who are able to manifest their ideas into reality quickly typically can do so because they have a process in place for making it happen. They're great at visualizing the outcome, creating a strategy or a map, and then executing. Now, the third thing they do is they take action, because without action, their idea, well, it's just an idea. It goes nowhere. But they don't take just any kind of action. They take strategic and massive action to get the job done. Manifestors are very disciplined in their actions. They do whatever it takes to bring their idea to completion, including bringing together teams, bringing on contractors, and even hiring coaches to help them to supercharge their actions and results. And even coaches to keep them accountable to what they say they want. It may seem simple, but these three things are instrumental in taking your idea from just an idea to an actual physical reality. And when I take my clients through this process, they see faster results with less overwhelm when starting and growing their businesses. So if you've had an idea and you've gotten stuck, where in the process have you gotten stuck? Is it belief? Is it the process? Or is it action? Post in the comments, let me know. And if you want more insight in getting to the root of mastering belief, process, and action, and of shifting beliefs so that you can become a master manifestor, then I invite you to register for my free masterclass, Remapping Your Mind for Manifestation and Success. In this free masterclass, I take you through a journey of 4 steps that actually help you to begin to break beliefs so that you can create your processes and get into massive action. You can register for this free masterclass by clicking on the link somewhere in this video, most likely below, or you can go directly to my website, www.drmaisha.com, and register directly from the home page. Now, some of you may be super serious and super committed to taking your business to the next level, and you are ready to supercharge your results and practice on your own terms. If that's you, I invite you to schedule a free strategy call with me, and you can do that by going to drmaisha.com/meet me. Now, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with people who you think it would provide value. And go ahead, click the link and register for that masterclass now, or go to drmaisha.com/meet me and schedule your strategy session. Now, in the videos coming up, I will deconstruct each of the things I talked about today: belief, process, and action. So make sure you stay tuned for those videos. Look forward to seeing you in the next one, and look forward to seeing you in the masterclass and talking to you on your strategy call. Have a great rest of the day and a great rest of the week. Namaste.